Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be starting a new project. We just got to this property here in Orwell, Ohio, and we're going to be starting this patio right here. It's going to be a 12 by 16, and it's going to be a Beacon Hill smooth with a border, with a black border. So that's what we're going to be doing at this project, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly what else we're going to be doing too. That's pretty much it, guys. We got all our tools here. We got the cat here, the tools here. It's just two guys, me and Beto here today. We're gonna be knocking this baby out. We're gonna excavate it. We don't have the pavers yet. They're in order. They should be arriving either today or tomorrow, hopefully. If not, then Monday. But for the most part, that's pretty much it there. I'll show you guys a little view of that here in a bit. And then over here, we're gonna be doing a flower bed extension. So we're gonna be connecting these beds together until this one right here and that one right there. We're gonna be connecting them together. We're going to be bringing the dirt that we haul out from over there over here to fill this area in, make it a nice bed. We're going to be extending it 2 feet around, two feet out and all around the whole flower bed. And we're going to be bringing in some boulders here. The homeowner does have boulders in the far back, so we are going to be bringing those boulders up front for them. And yeah, it's pretty hot today. It's a pretty hot day. And then we got our 411 on the dump right there. 411 is loaded. We brought the trailer with all the equipment, and then the dump was full of material like gravel pretty much. And that's pretty much it, guys. We're at this beautiful property here in Orwell. Very beautiful. Homeowners do most of their work, so we're just here to do the patio and the flower bed over there. But let's get started, guys. It's almost noon. We're gonna prep everything, mark everything. Then we're gonna get lunch, and then we'll start excavating after that. So it's not too bad because we already have some base there. Well, let me correct myself. We already have a good starting point. We just gotta excavate a little bit more, and we'll be set. We're ready to lay pavers here, gravel, I guess you could say, gravel, landscape fabric, gravel, and then eventually, if we can get the pavers today, we'll bring in. No, we got the flower bed over there to do, take care of, boulders to haul out from the back. I'll show you guys that too. So stay tuned for this little project, guys. Guys, we're gonna start putting the gravel in. We're gonna put a thin layer and then compact it, and then we're gonna be putting landscape fabric and more gravel on top of that. So you guys will see the process. Guys, next step is the landscape fabric. We put like about an inch of 411 on here, compact and mixing with dirt. And then we're putting in the landscape fabric this way because our work is over there. So we're going to run off this way. This landscape fabric is pretty much just so the base doesn't get mixed in with the soil and sink in the future. I mean, it shouldn't sink at all. But this is just reassurance. I'm gonna put this in real quick, and then we're gonna start filling it in with 411 and compacting this baby down. Excuse the noise in the back, the neighbors are mowing the yard, but we pretty much got this, the base set in. We got a little bit more gravel left here. We're going to be hauling that in tomorrow morning, along with our screen and pavers. Pavers are going to be coming in tomorrow. We're going to leave a couple tools here. That's pretty much our base level right there. Our pavers are gonna end 4 inches below this line right here. So it's gonna be a 4-inch step from here to the deck, like that. That's pretty much it for this, guys. It's pretty much late. We ended up doing a bed edging this right here, and then same thing, bed edging that bed down there, that little tree down there. So we did quite a lot of work. Some things were not going into our favor, but everything worked out the way it should be, like how I expected. We were able to move the boulders over here. I didn't show you guys this process because you guys already know this. It's simple, it's just edging, but look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference of this bed. You guys saw it earlier. Look at how beautiful this looks. We put these boulders in to complement it. It's gonna look really nice. We are obviously gonna adjust them tomorrow with our split bar. Right now it's already late. We got about a 45-minute drive home. Not too bad, but we don't want to get home too late. So that complemented the home very well. And maybe we could bring some boulder here in the future or something else here to like kind of tie everything in together. Same thing with over there. I showed you guys we extended it about 2 feet out. We ended up extending it and it came out amazing. Check it out. Beautiful curves. Big boulder. We're gonna adjust tomorrow. Good morning, guys. We're back at this job site. Well, actually not at the job site. We are actually picking up the material. So we are at right here. You guys can tell Raymond's Building Supplies. We're picking up the pavers. That's those are the border right there. The borders, the polymeric sand, and the guys are getting the pavers right now. I guess they messed with the order or something, but they're gonna straighten that out for me, and then we should be loaded right here. Boom. So it's pretty hot. More hotter than yesterday's, but this is my setup for today. Boom. The guys are at the job site right now. Got everything situated, and we are here picking up the pavers before they close at noon. So thankfully we made it on time, 30 minutes before closing. So I'm getting the pavers now, and then we'll be back at the job site. The guys are mulching, so they should be pretty much wrapping that up by the time I get there, and then they'll be heading out to the new job site that we're going to be starting, and then me and Beto are going to be staying at that job site to finish up the paver job. So stay tuned for that, guys, and I'll see you guys here in a bit when we get back to the site. Let's go. We are back at the job site. I just got back. We're ready to put our screen right there. That's our screen material. Let me go show you guys what the guys did. But that's the screen material that's going in now. Remember we edged this yesterday. It looks beautiful now. Homeowners cleaned it up a bit. We were just gonna edge it. Same thing down there. And let me show you how beautiful this came out. It's insane. This is beautiful. I love this. I love how this bed turned out. This is like pretty much an ideal flower bed for a property like this. Check it out. Boulders look really nice there. Really complemented the bed here. That's beautiful right there. That's beautiful. That's a luxury. But check it out, guys. Came out beautiful. We used double shredded mulch here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Man, this is so beautiful, man. I have no words. I have no words right now. But this came out amazing. Everything went out as planned with this. Check it out. Boulders are looking nice. Homeowners just had to scrub it a little bit, clean them up a bit. Not so much of a big deal there. We're unloading the screen right now. Check it out, guys. That's the screen right here. It's number 8 Marblehead ringtone. That's what we use for our screen. And we're pretty much almost wrapped up with the screen. Settling cable. Alright guys, we're making cuts now for the patio.
Oh, it's not even squared.
It's squared. No, it's good. We're going to have to cancel this cut.
Why are we gonna cancel it?
Because we're going to do a
Did it go against LGBT community guidelines?
No, we're going to do the U over there.
And why are we using this one?
Because it was chipped, but we're going to do a U instead, so we can't use this one no more. We'll use this for scrap, I guess. Check it out. We got pretty much most of it laid. Got a couple more square feet over there. And then we should be wrapped up. And compact it, and then we'll put the polymeric sand and then the concrete edging.
Just pay me to be your cameraman now. I'll follow you with the camera everywhere you go.
¿Le tiene que recortar eso, Beto?
No, no, ahora ya le voy a desvanar así la esquinita como le había dicho, para ya no quitarlo.
Yeah.
We got Beto in the back doing some touch-ups.
And they're in here, hopefully this ice will help it. You guys can drink it when you want it. I can get you more ice. The sun is hot. I feel so sorry for you guys. Thick. Boy, these have gotten smaller, huh?
Yeah. Every year.
Chondo Martinez takes advantage of me. Bro, look at these fucking eyes. Alright, let me give you a fucking. Alright. Here we are. Puro jalenillo. We got a recycled paver. Hey, I like how I can see my camera. You know what? Yeah. There we go.
Like I know what I'm doing.
Yeah. He doesn't know what he's doing, but
I know what I'm
he likes to act like he knows.
Look, we got our pitch. We're gonna pitch that way, right?
This way?
I was trying to make it.
Everything's pitched that way. And man, this is the paver is called Beacon Hill Smooth. Beacon Hill Smooth XL. And border or Lexington. Yeah. Lexington border. Like check it out. Beautiful patio. And this can be yours for the small price of $20,000.
Vamos a cortar el cuadro de aquí, Beto. ¿Cuál es el cuadrito que faltó? Ahí vamos a poner un cuadro.
De este.
Sí.
O del.
Pero acuérdense que mire, aquí va a ir un lado largo
7
y luego el cuadro.
Ahí. Son. Este nos da hasta aquí.
All right, guys, we're back at the property in Orwell. Homeowner out of this gravel. Looks pretty nice, actually. Job came out great. Patio looks good. Homeowner out of their furniture. Built their own gazebo thingy. Right now we're here doing some edging and some mulching here for these beds. We got that one done so far. We got one here in the far back. We got that one. I'm doing that one. And then we still gotta do those two. We're gonna throw some cocoa brown mulch here for the home. Yeah. The homeowner has a little garden. Looks pretty nice. But yeah, he's doing the